welcome back to another episode of Another Day, Another Opening na naman tayo guys. So meron tayong Dragon Ball Goku SH Figure Arts. Open it. So marami na akong HS Figure Arts dati kaso nabenta lang. So this one is Goku. So marami siyang version. So ito yung pinaka base version niya. So bibigyan natin ng magandang B-roll.